Hey everyone, got another lock clamped up in a vise for you today, and this time we're taking a look at a lock that was built by, you guessed it, Late Night Lock Picker. This was sent to me by Chris Ahrens, and Chris, I really appreciate it. I've been trying to evict some stuff from my naughty bucket, so I needed something in between here maybe. I haven't tried to pick this one yet, so we'll see. Those days when you're just trying to evict stuff from the naughty bucket, oh man. We'll click from 1. We'll click from 3. That's a couple clicks from 4. We'll click from 4. I'll counter on 3 and a click. Counter on 2 and a click. And there we go, opened it back up off of 3. Pretty fun little lock. It had excellent feedback. Every time I was on a pin that needed to be picked, the lock just said, hey, pick me. And, you know, locks like that are fun locks. I mean, it makes them a little bit easier when they have good feedback like that, but it's still good to have a lock that is fun. There we go, get that clip off of there. I think I want to put a different style clip back on there. I don't think that's the right clip for that lock. So I didn't detect any T-pins, so I'm going to proceed as if there are none. And I want to make a prediction that the security pins in this lock are factory security pins. Well, I definitely missed that on the key pins. Nothing factory about these. Oh, a bunch of nice key pins in here. Let's go ahead and look at the plug mods. You can see threads in 1, 2, and 5. And definitely countermilling on 3. Good work on the plug. Let's see what's up top. Let's see if I was right about the top pins, maybe. Go ahead and place your bets in the comments below. Or just wait 2 seconds and you'll find out anyway. Alright, definitely not a stock pin. But it was made from a stock pin. That is a stock. That is a factory. That's rated. I've got different springs so far all the way down. So yeah, in a sense, all the pins in the top are stock pins, or stock security pins, except for number 1, where number 1 looks like it was turned into a pin-in-pin. And that's how it was oriented in the chamber right there. So let's go ahead and zoom in on these. You can see we got all different springs in these chambers. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at the key pins first. See, I've got a nicely spooled homemade key pin in 1. A nice double serration. I would call that one a serrated with a serrated spool. I would call that one a double spool with a serration. That one, that would be, I don't know what I would call that. Down towards the bottom, maybe a double spool, then serrations, then another spool. Pretty cool pin. Alright, so the only pin up at the top that's not entirely factory is this pin in one, and that is actually the way that it came out, with the key pin portion of it, or the T-pin portion of it separating towards the top. And in two, we've got a spool, we've got a serrated, and a serrated. Pretty cool lock. The key pins were really nicely done. So nice job, Late Night Lock Picker. And Chris Ahrens, thanks again for sending me this lock. I really appreciate it. And everyone else, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.